I first tasted a cookie like this on a quiet Christmas afternoon in a small, cozy cafe. Were foggy. Soft music played in the background. Winter felt far away. Warm spices filled the air. Familiar, comforting, almost nostalgic. It wasn't fancy, just simple. Honest baking. Some flavors don't ask for attention. They stay quietly memorable. Felt like a pause, small, warm, and enough. First bite, warm spices, soft texture, and a quiet kind of comfort. If you enjoy calm baking and quiet stories, you're always welcome here.